All right. This car is originally black. We're about to transform it, make it satin black with high gloss details. It's going to be very clean. It's got that tan interior. So I think the satin black with the tan is really going to pop off. It's going to look really good. Alright guys, we just finished up this brand new E63S. Beautiful car, all black. The front grille was all blacked out. Left this hood emblem, left the grille emblem chrome. Everything else in the front is blacked out. So we still got that little Mercedes star touch, traditionally. The wheels are gloss black, powder coated. We even went as far as painting the center cap, and we took the star off and put it back on. This is usually matte black. We also left this little AMG in chrome. This car already is pretty sporty, but we also did spacers on the wheels so we can space out the wheels, get a more aggressive fitment. So right now you see the tire and the wheels a little bit out. Usually it's more inside. This is about 12 millimeters pushed out right now. The side emblems have the V8 bi-turbo in gloss black. The 4MATIC is still in chrome and black. Door handles were blacked out. The rear emblems were also blacked out. The rear trunk trim is blacked out. The rear star is black. We left the S in red. Overall, really clean setup on this E63S. It's a monster. These are not four-wheel drive, so it gets the power to the ground. Really good stuff from Mercedes. So we look forward to modifying more of these. We got this brand new 2018 Porsche GT3 in one of the most beautiful colors for this car, which is all black with some yellow accents. So this is the manual, not the automatic. So this is a perfect spec car. Right now we're doing a full body clear bra, paint protection film. You want to protect this car. It's going to hold really good value. You want to be careful with it. The Porsches get a lot of rock chips in the front just because of how the hood and the bumper's shaped. So we're going to protect this car so the driver could drive it confidently and enjoy his new GT3.
I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over.
We're going to show you guys the interior of this beautiful car with the Alcantara, the black and yellow. It's even got contrast in the middle of the seats with that gray, and of course the 6-speed manual.
Here we have a Rolls Royce Dawn wrapped in Satin Black, full blackout. exhaust tips in black, matching the trunk trim. Satin black door handles. And we have the chrome emblem matching the headlights. Hi. So if any car needs to be protected, this is the car you need to protect.
We went to the customer's house to apply paint protection film to his new Bugatti Chiron. You guys have seen this car before, we've done some stickers on it. We finally convinced the customer to get the paint protection film. It's a very, very smart thing to do on a $3.5 million Bugatti. He was one of the first in Los Angeles to receive this vehicle. It's his baby. We want to make sure it's protected at all times. We use the Expel paint protection film. It's self-healing. It's nice and thick, so it will definitely prevent scratches, sometimes even dents, scrapes, all that stuff. So we went out to the customer's house, did it in his garage. Instead of bringing the car here, you know, he didn't want to take it out of his garage, so we just went over there, did all the paint protection in his house. So we offer also services like that. Everything at RDB.
We have custom one-piece Forgiato wheels. These are 24s going on the Dawn. We're about to do rolling shots. Can't wait for you guys to see this.
What happened with this car?
It was a very big accident, big collision.
And you guys fixed it up?
Yeah, we fixed it up. There was a whole left side, body and mechanical.
Hey, shout out to RDBLA, man. Good looking out, man. Fucking sick ass car now. Big thanks, man. Thank you.
We just got 24-inch Forgiatos on the Rolls Royce Dawn. We're gonna go test drive and make sure it's okay.
We're about to test drive it right now to see if everything's good. Customer's on the way to pick it up.
Test drove the Rolls Royce Dawn on 24-inch Forgiatos. This vehicle, customer opted not to lower it. Wanted to kind of retain the stock drive, even though the lowering actually does drive really well. Test drove it, everything drives perfectly. It's a great looking car with the satin black, shiny black, and that tan interior. Comment below. We love to read you guys' comments. We read everything. So comment below, let us know what you guys think of our builds and what else we could do to improve our channel.